Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you know every time I post a video. I really didn't know what I was trying to do at first, because this is before Halloween, like a few days before Halloween. So I was like, let me try to do something spooky for spooky season, and it just did not work out. You'll see that further along in the video. And I'm not going to talk through the entire video because I'm trying to cut it down now. Right now it's at 43 minutes, and I'm probably going to have this video at like 12 minutes or 10. Either way, that's either way. Anyway, yeah, but I love the outcome. Like, I got a little discouraged, but by the grace of God, I got through it and I look good. It looks good. So I just hope y'all enjoy it, and don't forget to hit that notification bell. Don't forget to hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe so you can make sure that every time I post a video, you all can see it. You can see it. All right. Let me let y'all enjoy it, and I'm going to shut up. Bye. if y'all see me cutting my eyes, which y'all can, I was watching The Office and I was cracking up, so that's why I was doing it. And with this foundation, I don't know. Like, I don't know if I'm supposed to match it with my face, match it with my neck. I don't know. Because it's winter time now, and I'm just like, look, I'm not finna be using my Lancome foundation. That foundation is not cheap in every video. So that's why I lowered my light. I lowered my ring light. Like, I dimmed it down a little bit because I was just like, hold on. And it still looked a little off, but you know what? My look came out bomb.com, so that's all that matters. Eventually, I'll figure out how to match it all together, like my face match my neck and all that different stuff. But until then, this is what you're gonna get, sweetie, and it look good. Okay, so this is where I was getting a little frustrated because that powder, I was just like, dog, what? Because I realized I put too much on, and you see I just changed my lighting all together, and I went ahead and did my powder off camera because my setting, because I was just like, look, if I mess this up, I'm gonna be ticked off because my eyes look good. And I was just like, you know what, let me just go ahead and do it off camera and then come back when it comes time to contour and all that. So that's what I did. But y'all saw me like I almost have a fit. But I'm okay. I'm okay. Y'all, and these lashes came from my girl Essence. Her name on Instagram is xoessencebeauty. She sells lashes, lip gloss, lipsticks, lip liners. I think that's it for right now. But make sure y'all go check her out. I'm gonna try to put her name somewhere in this video or in my description box. Either or. I'm gonna put it in there though. for my lips, I bought this Juvia's Place lip liner. I think in the shade Koala. I don't know. It's okay. I like my like, if I'm gonna use a brown liner, which I always do, I like it to be a little darker than that. But you'll see later on, like, how I combine. I think my KKW Beauty. I combine that too. Like, I put that on top of, or like above, my main lip liner thing. You'll see. It came out bumps. I come. Don't you just hate when your lashes don't want to act right, dog? That is the most annoying thing ever. Or you put them on and you be like, dang, that hurt if I look this way. That hurt if I look. When you put lashes on, you are not supposed to feel them unless they're like real big and, flat out and all that. But you are not supposed to. Well, I feel like I shouldn't have to feel mine if I look a certain way, if I cut my eyes a certain way. If I feel them, that means I gotta either too low or like it's turned some type of way and it ain't comfortable. So I thought I used my KKW lipstick, but it was actually my NYX lip matte cream. I don't even know the shade number. It's somewhere in my makeup drawer. But look at that. Look how beautiful. I